Hello and welcome to our video titled 105 Impressive Industrial Machines Operating at Peak Efficiency. Today, we'll explore some of the most advanced and efficient industrial machines that are transforming various sectors with their remarkable capabilities and innovative designs. These machines represent the cutting edge of technology, optimizing productivity and efficiency in industries around the world. Let's dive right in. Hydraulic presses. Hydraulic presses use hydraulic cylinders to generate a compressive force, essential in manufacturing processes like forging, molding, and metal forming. CNC milling machines. CNC milling machines are precision tools used in manufacturing to cut and shape materials with incredible accuracy, crucial for producing complex parts and components. Injection molding machines. These machines are used to produce plastic parts by injecting molten plastic into molds. They are highly efficient and capable of producing large quantities of parts with precision. Laser cutting machines. Laser cutting machines use high-powered lasers to cut through materials like metal, plastic, and wood with exceptional accuracy and speed, essential in manufacturing and fabrication. Printers. 3D printers create three-dimensional objects from digital models, revolutionizing prototyping and manufacturing with their ability to produce complex shapes and structures. Robotic welding machines. Robotic welding machines automate the welding process, ensuring precision, consistency, and high-quality welds in manufacturing and construction. Industrial robots. Industrial robots perform a variety of tasks, including assembly, packaging, and material handling. Their efficiency and precision significantly enhance productivity in manufacturing. Automated guided vehicles, AGVs. AGVs transport materials and products within manufacturing facilities, optimizing workflow and reducing manual labor, contributing to higher efficiency. High-speed packaging machines. These machines automate the packaging process, increasing speed and accuracy in industries like food, pharmaceuticals, and consumer goods. Printing presses. Modern printing presses produce high-quality printed materials quickly and efficiently, essential for publishing, packaging, and advertising industries. CNC lathes. CNC lathes are used to shape materials like metal and wood by rotating the workpiece against cutting tools, ensuring precision and consistency in manufacturing. Cutters. Water jet cutters use high-pressure water streams to cut through materials, offering a versatile and precise cutting solution for various industries. Wire EDM machines. Wire EDM, electrical discharge machining, machines use a thin wire to cut intricate shapes in hard materials, essential for producing precision parts. Automated assembly lines. Automated assembly lines streamline the manufacturing process, increasing efficiency and reducing errors in industries like automotive and electronics. High-pressure die casting machines. These machines produce metal parts by injecting molten metal into molds under high pressure, ensuring high quality and precise components. Pneumatic presses. Pneumatic presses use compressed air to generate force, used in applications like stamping, punching, and forming in manufacturing processes. Coating machines. Coating machines apply protective or decorative coatings to materials, enhancing their durability and appearance, essential in industries like automotive and electronics. Food processing machines. These machines automate food production processes like slicing, dicing, and packaging, ensuring high efficiency and consistency in the food industry. Textile machines. Textile machines automate processes like weaving, knitting, and dyeing, increasing efficiency and precision in the production of fabrics and garments. Paper manufacturing machines. These machines produce paper products efficiently, from pulp processing to paper cutting and packaging, essential for the paper and packaging industries. Pharmaceutical manufacturing machines. These machines automate the production of pharmaceuticals, ensuring precision, consistency, and compliance with regulatory standards. Metalworking machines. Metalworking machines like grinders, drills, and saws are essential for shaping and finishing metal parts with precision and efficiency. Woodworking machines. Woodworking machines automate tasks like cutting, shaping, and finishing wood, enhancing productivity and precision in the woodworking industry. Recycling machines. Recycling machines process waste materials into reusable forms, contributing to sustainable manufacturing practices and resource conservation. Conveyor systems. Conveyor systems transport materials and products within manufacturing facilities, optimizing workflow and reducing manual labor. Bottling machines. Bottling machines automate the filling and sealing of bottles, ensuring high efficiency and accuracy in the beverage and pharmaceutical industries. Labeling machines. Labeling machines apply labels to products and packaging with precision, essential for branding, compliance, and information purposes. Shrink wrap machines. Shrink wrap machines encase products in plastic film, providing protection and enhancing packaging appearance in various industries. Palletizers. Palletizers automate the stacking of products onto pallets, increasing efficiency and reducing manual labor in warehousing and distribution. CNC plasma cutters. CNC plasma cutters use plasma torches to cut through electrically conductive materials with precision and speed, essential in metal fabrication. Industrial mixers. Industrial mixers blend materials efficiently, used in industries like food, pharmaceuticals, and chemicals for consistent and high-quality products. Granulators. Granulators process materials into smaller, more manageable pieces, essential for recycling and waste reduction in manufacturing. Sealing machines. Sealing machines automate the sealing of packages, ensuring product protection and integrity in industries like food, pharmaceuticals, and consumer goods. Soldering machines. Soldering machines automate the soldering process, ensuring precision and consistency in electronics manufacturing. Automatic screw machines. These machines automate the insertion and tightening of screws, increasing efficiency and precision in assembly processes. Robotic pallet wrappers. Robotic pallet wrappers automate the wrapping of pallets with stretch film, enhancing load stability and protection in warehousing and distribution. High-speed sorting machines. These machines automate the sorting of products based on size, weight, or other criteria, increasing efficiency in industries like logistics and food processing. Automated cutting machines. Automated cutting machines use advanced technology to cut materials with precision and speed, essential in manufacturing and fabrication. Digital printing machines. Digital printing machines produce high-quality printed materials quickly and efficiently, used in industries like publishing, packaging, and advertising. Pneumatic conveying systems. These systems transport bulk materials through pipelines using compressed air, optimizing material handling and reducing manual labor. Industrial blowers. Industrial blowers move air or gas efficiently, essential for ventilation, cooling, and material handling in various industries. Rotary kilns. Rotary kilns process materials at high temperatures, used in industries like cement, chemicals, and metallurgy for efficient and precise production. Briquetting machines. Briquetting machines compress materials into compact, manageable forms, used in recycling and waste reduction to create fuel or raw materials. Ultrasonic welding machines. Ultrasonic welding machines use high-frequency vibrations to weld materials, ensuring strong and precise bonds in manufacturing processes. Vacuum forming machines. Vacuum forming machines shape plastic sheets into specific forms, used in packaging, automotive, and consumer goods industries. Throughout this video, you've seen some of the most impressive industrial machines operating at peak efficiency. These machines represent the pinnacle of engineering, optimizing productivity and innovation in various sectors. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more amazing content. Leave a comment below to let us know which machine impressed you the most. See you in the next video.